It's well past shooting time. I just had a dove come buzz me. I was walking around up there because the mosquitoes are so bad out here. I've got bit like 5 times, in like 2 minutes. It's terrible. I don't know what to do. I don't have any bug spray and it's just like terrible. I'm not sure how good you guys can see, but out in front of me there's a giant freaking black cloud. It looks like it's gonna rain, but on the radar it didn't show anything but rain. Ground didn't get on camera. I definitely did not go back to my truck and have my mom come drop off some waters and some bug sprays. Okay, where's my chair? Over here. Real freaking humid out here, let me tell you folks. So yeah, there was one dove over there on the way back in. So they're still around. There might be a couple behind me, it looks like. The weather said, you know, it's not gonna rain. Well, what's that? That clearly is not sunshine, I'll tell you that much. Not one dove in the sky already. Come on, come on. Here they come, here they come. I don't know why I didn't shoot. I lost him in the grass. Let's shoot that back one. Oh my god. Dude, I'm so mad. I lost that back one, dude. I was gonna shoot him right here. I followed and I lost him back. Oh my god.
Hey, it's me.
This might be good for teal. This might be where they're sitting. Yeah. I don't see why they wouldn't sit in this.
What?
Teal?
Start shooting.
Look at them over there. Oh, they're coming back, I think. Good night. I don't know. Look at them all. Yeah, Echo, look at them all.
Right here.
Oh.
Right to it. He's dead. He's going down. I don't know where he went, but we hit him.
Maybe you watch them fall?
He went over.
There's a big flock coming right back. Oh, geese too. They're not gonna come in.
You don't know where they're gonna go though. They could have went to the river.
Get that mating call going? Is that what they're about? Kill him, Devin.
We just missed.
He came in. He came in good.
Hey, it's me.
Oh, I remember. I thought about you, Taylor. Oh, that don't even work.
Is that Danish?
That is a Danish, son. You left it. We bought it for the next day. We never ate it. So I got to get the pregame shoot Danish in, because you already know that's just the way to go. Oh, folks, it's like 50 or 49 or something. It's cold. Oh yeah. Ready? I'm not.
Smoking.
He's getting close to the sun. I thought I let him pretty good. Well, that might be a pigeon.
That's a nice dove.
A big one. I have fish eye on. Oh my god. Sit. Sit. Out of them trees. Get ready. Just wait, just wait. We could have shot him, couldn't we?
He was probably close enough. I thought he was gonna just turn and drop.
That's what they were doing yesterday. They were gonna, they would come into that hole right there and just dump right in.
Yeah. You should have a bunch of babies.
He might be back there.
I mean, they should be growing up by now.
Oh. Take her! Oh yeah, good night. Well, this is the first time I used a big camera in a while. This is gonna be our midday update. Cotton Daddy and Pops both left. They're just freaking losers. I don't know what to tell you. They're too hot for them. Little girls. I think Taylor's gonna come back later. Pops, I don't know what he's doing. He's doing something. But I'm gonna show y'all the spread, and then I'm also gonna show you guys the A-frame that we're sitting on. So I'm gonna go out in the water show you guys that. We got a couple family flocks. We got some right there. We got long neck Lisa just chilling right there, son. We got a little small pack, and then we got some sitting out there. I actually just bought those. Those things are nice. Some flock-headed ones. Got them a couple days ago. All right, this is gonna be risky. Good night. We're gonna walk out in the water with the old big camera, so it's not tripped now. All right, so like, all right, I'm a goose. Got my wings locked. All right, that's what you're gonna be looking at. Well, bam! Can't even see it. That's how good it is. You can't even see it from the road either. Let's take a peek. It's right behind that. Too good. And we got the crick up there, and over here, and the geese have been coming from up there, hole right here. Dude, look at this. I mean, this is perfect. I don't know what more they want. Where they at? What? Wait, dude, what? Are you kidding me? Dude, I'm like actually confused. Where did they... Are you kidding me? Y'all heard them, right? Well, those are the two that Papa seen. And I fell asleep and I took a nap. I was in my dream hearing geese until I woke up and I heard geese. Well, pro tip next time. If you do anything like take off your sweatshirt, do it sitting down, because the geese that just flew over that might want to come back, might come back. Pro tip. It's the same morning flock. Right here. They were barrel rolling and everything. Bro. It is literally shooting time. Literally 7:15. There's solos. There's a duo way over there. I don't even know if you guys will be able to see those. I'm packing up right now. And just parked my truck and I just hear honks, dude. This is bullcrap. What the heck, brother? That's goose hunting for you. And those geese, I'm not even kidding you, they're right up that creek. They're not even that far at all. So stupid, dude.